Hi guys, just wanted to put a short video up. I've been pretty busy with a couple of the projects, these toolbox projects, and I wanted to get those done. So I haven't had much time for the car aside to, I've been able to drive it a lot, which I love because we all know old man winter's on his way. So this week I'm going to be getting to these window sweeps, and I've been putting those off because well, I've had them on the shelf, I hate to say it, for a couple of years, but I've been putting them off because of all the stuff I've seen and read about what a pain in the ass it is. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on those this week, and I'll put a video up of how I make out and how I get it done. And so that's on the way. And also the code 42, I've decided that I'm just going to replace the module in the distributor. That seems to be the easiest and most likely culprit. And then because I checked the wiring, all the wiring's good. So that's the first order of business, to get that thing going again. The car runs a little rough with the code 42. It still runs good, but it idles rough. And it seems to be getting worse. So I don't want to end up on the road because I didn't get it done. So we'll do that over winter. And just a quick tip here on these emblems. I see a lot of talk about emblems and getting new ones and stuff like that. I took mine apart and I redid them, so you can do it. Though the back comes off, they come right apart, and you just have to be really patient and careful because they're very fragile. And I just took red model paint on there that matched the color, and I did the outline with black Sharpie, believe it or not, same as the squares, and they come out really nice. So it looks like it's broken there, but it's just a piece of dirt. So yeah, they come out pretty good, so you can do that. I'll show you the back one. It looks really good also. They don't look brand new, but they're original. So I kept the same ones on my car. And again, though, you have to be really patient. If you start trying to force stuff, you'll break them. So you just got to take your time. And then the other project I'm hoping to get done over winter is this stuff. It's all ratty. It's all original. And so that'll be another project I'd like to get done over winter and get all new weather stripping on it. So anyway, that's an update on the beast, and we'll get to these window sweeps this week, and hopefully we'll get to them and get them done. That's the key. So anyway, that's it for now. Catch you later.